Welcome to our channel. Redeeming a Google Play gift card adds credit to your Google account balance for purchasing apps, games, movies, books, and in-app content on Android devices. Step 1. Locate the scratch-off area on the back of your Google Play gift card and carefully scratch it off to reveal the redemption code. Step 2. Open the Google Play Store app on your Android phone or tablet. Step 3. Tap the menu icon, 3 horizontal lines in the top left corner of the Play Store screen. Step 4. Select Redeem from the menu options that appear. Step 5. Type in the code from your gift card exactly as it appears, including any letters and numbers, being careful to distinguish between similar characters like O and 0. Step 6. Alternatively, tap the camera icon to scan the QR code or barcode on your gift card if available. Step 7. Tap Redeem button to add the gift card value to your Google Play balance. Step 8. Wait for confirmation that your gift card has been successfully redeemed and the amount has been added to your account. Step 9. To verify your new balance, tap the menu icon again and select Payment Methods to see your current Google Play balance. Step 10. If redeeming on a computer, visit play.google.com/redeem in your web browser and sign in with your Google account. Step 11. Enter your gift card code on the redemption page and click Redeem. Step 12. Your redeemed balance will now be available for purchases across all Google Play services on any device linked to your Google account. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.